guys. My name is BNSF Guy 778. I'm zooming close to the smoke detector because the smoke detector is very sexy, and look how pretty is she. Look at that, she has a sexy green light. Her name is Melissa. Yep, she's a very nice smoke detector, Melissa. Look how cute is she. Wow. See that on the back. Yep, look at on my smoke detector in the hallway. It has good license plate on top of the alarm, and it has a speaker when there's a chirp, and sometimes it chirps when you touch it. It's like a beautiful smoke. It's like a beautiful smoke detector. Wow, look at that. You can find any smoke detector pictures on Instagram and Twitter. Look at that. How cool it is, that guy. Ooh, see that? Melissa's very beautiful. She's cute. Look how beautiful she is. I wish I want her to get taken down, but I can't. Because my parents will let me. So yeah. If you're watching this, please subscribe, and you're gonna comment down below and make more videos about smoke detectors or any freight trains. So goodbye.